Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share another entry to my challenge, my IC card challenge, and this one is from my good friend Justine, who's Justine Stone here on YouTube. Oh my gosh, Justine. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. So let me unwrap this, and I'm going to try to do it off camera because I don't want to do the noise and the crinkling. Oh my god, look how pretty. Pretty, pretty. Oh my gosh, Justine. Oh my god, look at these beautiful flowers. Oh gosh, I'm not even in frame. Look at these flowers. Oh my gosh, Justine, thank you so much. You didn't have to do that. So look at this loaded IC card. It's gorgeous, and her information is in the back. So I remember watching Justine's video, and this is a canvas. It's a 4x6 canvas that she got from, oh goodness, oh gosh. I think it was a Dollar Tree, and I have not found these canvases at my Dollar Tree. Look at this beautiful, I don't know if this is a pocket, but it is gorgeous with this beautiful flower. Look at that butterfly right there. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is so pretty. I love this trim here that you used. OMG. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up, and this is I'm I am floored. Oh, look at that. I think it opens up. Oh, and it has some goodies in there and some flowers. Oh my gosh, I love these flowers, Justine. They're so pretty. Oh wow, this is a cool, it's like a double-sided flower. Oh my god, look at this beautiful oh my gosh, look at this beautiful tag with this image, and it looks like she glossy it's either gloss Mod Podge. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then look at this birdie paper clip. That is too cute. And look at this beautiful, oh my god, look at this beautiful stick pin. OMG. Thank you so much, Justine. I love this. It's like a little pocket. Has some flowers, and this says sweet. Oh my gosh, I love it. It is gorgeous. Okay, so let me okay, so this is Justine Stone. That's her YouTube channel. She's from Michigan. Her date of birth is December 15th, and her style is shabby and clean and simple. She loves to decorate boxes, canvases, and make minis. She loves working with paper, Prima, Graphic 45, laces, and doilies. Oh, thank you, Justine. I love it. I love it, love, love, love. This is going to go into my box. And she made me some flowers. And you guys don't have to do this, but I'm so glad you did, Justine. I love them. Okay, so this, she had already told me she was going to send me something, and she was going to send me these, I think these are Brad's. Yeah, these are Brad cameras, and she told me that she was going to send me these. Um, so thank you. Just look at this cute little box. Isn't that cute? I love it. Love it, Justine. And then she sent me some napkins. Now this is just a Happy Mail. This is just her Happy Mail, and thank you so much, Justine. You are always so generous. I'm putting these bags on the floor. So look at, she made me a little box. How cute. I wonder what's inside. Oh my gosh, no. No way. Oh my God, there's these applique flowers. Look how pretty these are. Oh my God. Oh! Oh my God, you gave me so many of them, Justine. That is gorgeous. Thank you. Oh my goodness. And then she shared some of her flat back pearls. Oh, MG. These are the ones that she bought at Michael's. Oh my God, the faceted ones. Oh my God, they're so pretty. I don't have these. I only have the cream and the pink ones, which I love. And then she's so nice enough. Oh my gosh. I want to make some tags with these cool. I'm gonna have to send you some of my new napkins, Justine, because I got some vintage ones. Look at these. These are so pretty. Some under the sea napkins. And ooh, Patty. I love Paris. And she gave me a couple of those. Look at these seashell ones. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love this one too. Oh, I love these napkins, Justine. Thank you for sharing. I'm going to have to send you some of mine. So this is my entry to my IC challenge, and it's from Justine Stone here on YouTube. Thank you, Justine. I absolutely love my IC card, and I know it's kind of dimensional, but that's okay. I love it. It's fresh and new and different, and I love it. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.